Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, I'm from Mitson Learning, and today I'll be sharing with you a review of the Udemy course, Complete Python Developer, Zero to Mastery. This course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to a confident Python developer, and it covers everything you need to know to get started with Python programming. Course objectives. This course is intended for anyone who wants to learn Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who has some programming experience but wants to learn Python from scratch. The course is designed to be comprehensive and cover everything you need to know to become a confident Python developer. Targeted audience. The course is suitable for anyone who wants to learn Python, including students, professionals, and hobbyists. It is especially useful for those who want to pursue a career in software development, data analysis, machine learning, or any other field that requires knowledge of Python. Course content. The course content is divided into several sections. Section 1. Python Basics. This section covers the fundamentals of Python, including data types, control flow, loops, functions, and file handling. You'll learn how to write your first Python program and get a solid understanding of the Python language. Section 2. Data structures. In this section, you'll learn about the different data structures in Python, such as lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. You'll also learn how to use these data structures to solve real-world problems and how to work with JSON data. Section 3. Object-oriented programming. This section focuses on object-oriented programming, OOP, in Python. You'll learn about classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. You'll also create your own class and work with inheritance to solve real-world problems. Section 4. File I/O and data management. In this section, you'll learn how to work with files in Python, including reading and writing files, as well as managing data in large datasets. You'll also learn about data visualization and how to create charts and graphs using Python. Section 5. Web development with Flask. This section covers web development with Flask, a micro-web framework for Python. You'll learn how to create web applications, work with databases, and deploy your applications to the web. Section 6. Data analysis with pandas. In this section, you'll learn how to work with pandas, a powerful data analysis library in Python. You'll learn how to manipulate, analyze, and visualize data using pandas, and you'll also learn about data cleaning and preprocessing. Section 7. Machine learning with scikit-learn. This section focuses on machine learning with scikit-learn, a popular machine learning library in Python. You'll learn about different machine learning algorithms, how to train models, and how to evaluate the performance of your models. Section 8. Advanced topics. This section covers advanced topics in Python, including multithreading, concurrency, and asynchronous programming. You'll also learn about functional programming in Python and how to write tests for your Python code.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.